Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi. Stand up for me. Show me your outfit.
Look, my boots. Hi. Look, my boots.
Turn to the side so we can see your outfit there. Ooh, pretty cute stuff. Ooh. Who do we got coming in here?
I got some boots. Don't tap them.
Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Say, boy, you sure look cute in that outfit there. Huh. Let's turn to the side again. Let's see your wings there. Ooh, yeah. Pretty cute. Okay, say bye-bye.